So we have with us Ramesh Krishnan, who is the director at Bharti Telesoft. Tell us about Bharti Telesoft. It's a Bharti enterprise company.
Yes, Bharti Telesoft is an 8-year-old company that was founded by Bharti Group, and we are the software services and solutions arm of Bharti Group. We provide a lot of the backend solutions for M-entertainment, M-commerce, value-added services, as well as billing and customer care for operators worldwide. So our business is actually very global. And we also have investment from Cisco and Sequoia Capital into the company.
Oh, Cisco and Sequoia.
That's right. Both of them are investors in the company, along with Bharti, although Bharti is a major shareholder.
And you are in charge of M-entertainment?
Yes. So I head up the M-entertainment or the content solutions business unit. And within this business unit, we have several exciting solutions that we provide. We run one of the world's largest caller-back tone engines. And on that system, we have close to 12 million subscribers on the largest one. We are also present in a significant number of geographies outside of India. So our business is not primarily just focused in India, but it's also very global in nature because we work with customers across the globe, be it in Europe or be it in Middle East or Africa or other parts of Asian continent. We also have content management solutions which actually manage the application layer and allow a subscriber to come into the system using an access mechanism of their choice. For instance, they could come using SMS or voice like an IVR, or they could come through USSD, or they could come through their web browser if they have a very good GPRS network. And in future, they could even use a SIP-based client to actually come into the ecosystem and then choose their type of content that they actually want, be it a coloring back tone or whether it's a multimedia portal solution of a video clip that might be from sports or entertainment or something like that, or go on to a live TV broadcast that is actually being streamed on the mobile handheld, or maybe even buy some music from their music store which is being provided by the mobile operator. And what we enable for the operator there is to manage this in a very seamless fashion and be able to bill it. Whether it's a prepaid customer or a postpaid customer, we are able to bill it for either of them very seamlessly.
Let me just understand. So Bharti Airtel, which is part of Bharti, has outsourced its management, its network and other parts of the telecom services that it offers to major vendors.
Right.
How does Bharti Telesoft fit into Airtel? Do you guys work with Airtel, I'm assuming?
It's an excellent question. So Airtel has outsourced, like they said, a lot of its infrastructure to various network equipment providers like, the ones that are there like Ericsson and Nokia, etc. We come in, that's at the network layer. We actually come in a level below.
The software.
At the solutions layer, things like, for instance, Hello Tunes, which is a very popular service from Airtel, is nothing but the caller ringback tone engine.
So you provide vast services to
That's right.
Airtel. So that's what. So you're the software arm for Airtel.
That's not just for Airtel, but Airtel is one of our most strategic customers. It's one of our largest customers.
So that's the key.
They are a customer. Although they are part of the Bharti family, they are also a very key customer for us.
And who are your other customers besides Airtel?
We have customers like France Telecom. We have customers like Oman Mobile. We have customers like MTN. We have customers like Grameen. We have customers like Vodafone. So we have a best of breed customer list, and we're very proud of having all of them.
And the solutions you provide, for instance, if I was to take Grameen, it is tailored for the Grameen phone users in Bangladesh, and I believe parts of India can use Grameen phones, I was told.
Grameen would largely be Bangladesh, and yes, you're absolutely right. Whenever we take a solution into a certain market, we have to do some amount of customization for that particular market, localization. So if it is a content solution, then we have to tie up with the local content provider, make sure that the content solutions that are coming into the ecosystem are those that actually the local market will be able to absorb and consume. There's no fun in me going and selling, something like Western music content in a country like Bangladesh, because your appetite for Bollywood might be far greater. I mean, it's pretty much that example that we use whenever we go to a local market. We actually embrace the local content. So if you're in Middle East, having Arabic content is very important for you to have a successful portfolio. By the same token, you also need a lot of Bollywood content because majority of the expats who live there are from the Indian subcontinent.
So thank you so much for your talk on what Bharti Telesoft does. You're based in Delhi?
That's right. We're based in Delhi, but we have offices in several parts of the world. We also have an office in Bombay. We have an office in Bangalore. We have an office in Jordan.